Welcome back to Medieval Mason. In the last video, I made the base of this medieval guard tower. In this video, I'll be applying a series of paints, washes, and dry brushing to give the piece a realistic appearance. To begin, I covered all the wooden parts of the tower with a solid brown base coat. Once everything was dry, I applied 4 different shades of brown to the rough stone bricks. Next, I took 2 different shades of gray and painted the dressed stones on the tower's corners. While the stonework was drying, I took a light beige and gave the wooden areas a gentle dry brushing. I then mixed up a batch of black wash using Rinse Aid, water, and black paint. I then applied this over the entire model. Following the black wash, I applied a heavy dry brushing of medium gray to the rough stones. This was then followed by a brown wash. To pull out the details of the rockwork, I then dry brushed on a light tan over the entire model. Next, I blended antique gold and black gunmetal paint together and applied the mixture to the cap of the roof to give it the appearance of weathered bronze. Next, I mixed silver and gunmetal paints and applied the blend to the iron portions of the model with the use of a fine tip brush. Next, I applied a thick coating of milky tan wash over the rough stonework, making sure to allow the pigment to seep into all the individual crevices between the bricks. A diluted version of this light wash was then applied over the wooden portions of the tower to provide greater contrast and weathering. While this was drying, I applied a dark brown wash to the dressed stones, door frames, and arrow slits. Finally, I very lightly applied a dry brush of off-white over the entire model. With the painting complete, I mixed up plaster and began pouring the stucco portions. I tried several different methods during this process in an attempt to find the best technique. The final touch was creating the glass window panes. After covering the exterior with tacky glue, I secured the glass to the interior window frame. While this cured, I carefully applied one final coat of dark wash over the edges of the model to simulate the stains caused by rainwater. I think the end result turned out quite good, and overall I'm very happy with the final product. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned some techniques that you might want to use in your own projects.